Kia ora whānau. The best way to explain about the Pūāwai Kahurangi is to talk to you as I make it, because then you'll understand it. Ka pai? Okay. This actually talks about grief. And when we lose somebody. And when we lose somebody, we become quite crushed, become quite broken, we become really muke, and sometimes we don't know how to deal with our grief. Sometimes we don't know where we should put our grief. Sometimes we don't even know how to grieve and what grief even looks like. And so what happens is that as whānau, we don't even know how to talk to each other about the grief. And so in all of that, we learn without learning to actually box our grief up. We learn without learning to hold it in because we have no one to share the grief with. So this flower is about a wellness to learn how to kind of let go of that grief. Because in grief are memories. These are our memories. And they're layered. We're layered. We're people. We're like onions. We're layered. And sometimes we have to unlayer ourselves and take one layer off at a time. And as we do that, if we allow ourselves, and it's an allowance, it's being able to say it's okay to let go of the grief. My memories are always going to be there, no matter what. And we can either learn to let go of that grief, learn through crying, through screaming, through yelling, through stomping, however it is that you want to do, but the memory will always stay there. But one of the things when we let go of that grief, that memory that we have, those layers, they actually become really, really beautiful. And we begin to think, wow. But we are able to go back on the memory and understand that they will be there forever, but that pain actually doesn't have to belong to you anymore. The minute you let go of that pain, you will learn that, wow, my memories are amazing. Whether they're good memories, funny memories, all of that. And this is just one little row for your ora. And again, as Māori, we live in two worlds. A tinana a wairua. And Mauri mate, Mauri ora. And we can either choose to stay in that Mauri mate state and we're squished and broken and hard and in that grief, or ka tū Mauri ora. And te wā Mauri ora, this is what comes out. Beautiful memories, amazing stuff. One rau ka puta ka ora. And it blossoms. You will begin to just ka Pūāwai koe.